This is Barry Zalma speaking for Claim School Incorporated's blog, Zalma on Insurance. Today we're going to talk about why you can sometimes win some and lose some, and why the statute of limitations will bar a bad faith claim. Loann T, Phan-Kramer and Jonerik Kramer sued American States Insurance Company for uninsured motorist coverage, won, and collected. Now they have sued American States again, asserting statutory bad faith, breach of contract, good faith and fair dealing, and loss of consortium. In Phan-Kramer v. American States, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania on September 14, 2023, dealt with the claim and took away part of the plaintiff's claim and allowed the rest to proceed in a Solomon-like decision. On April 15, 2016, an underinsured motorist rear-ended Loann T. Phan-Kramer. She suffered a full-thickness tear of her rotator cuff as well as other neck and back injuries. At the time of the accident, American States insured Ms. Phan-Kramer, including underinsured motorist benefits. After suing, then settling with the other driver, plaintiffs filed their UIM insurance claim with American States. American States denied that claim and plaintiffs sued. At trial, the jury returned a verdict in plaintiff's favor, and the insurer satisfied the verdict. The tort of bad faith, however, came after the verdict with a new lawsuit. However, the Phan-Kramers missed the statute of limitations, which the trial court determined barred the plaintiff's claim. The statute of limitations on a bad faith claim in Pennsylvania is 2 years. The statute begins to run when the insurer first refuses to pay the claim. When the court denied the plaintiff's motion for leave to file a second amended claim, the court concluded that the statute of limitations began to run on June 28, 2019, when American States denied their claim. Plaintiff's time to file the claim expired on June 28, 2021. Therefore, American States' motion on the bad faith claim was granted because it was barred by the statute of limitations. Then the court considered the breach of contract, loss of consortium claims and found that the Third Circuit, which covers the Pennsylvania District Court, has adopted a bright-line rule that res judicata cannot bar claims that are predicated on events that postdate the filing of the initial complaint. Because plaintiff's breach of contract and loss of consortium claims both rely, at least in part, on American States' conduct following the filing of the initial lawsuit, res judicata cannot preclude these claims. American States acknowledge that the amended complaint, quote, focuses on the ways that American States supposedly acted in bad faith during the litigation and trial of the underlying UIM consortium case, close quote, because the bright-line rule bars the application of res judicata. American States' motion on the breach of contract and loss of consortium claims was denied. Insurance companies, in my opinion, like every person and corporation, are imperfect. American States decided it did not owe UIM benefits to its insured, took the issue to trial, and lost. It paid the judgment only to be sued for defending the original lawsuit. The court found that the insured plaintiffs filed their bad faith claim too late and dismissed that action, only to allow the breach of contract and loss of consortium claims to proceed. The decision is probably a Pyrrhic victory for the plaintiffs since they already recovered in the initial suit the contract damages, and they have no tort damages available to them other than the failure to pay for loss of consortium, which the husband may or may not be able to prove. This video was adapted from my blog, Zelma on Insurance, which is available free to anyone who clicks on the URL zelma.com/blog. If you found this video to be useful to you, please tell your friends and colleagues about the blog and the videos so that they too can subscribe to the blog, all of which is free. You can also subscribe to the videos on YouTube and on rumble.com, also free. Your list will not be given to anyone else. If you find you could use further detailed information on insurance, insurance law, insurance fraud, and insurance claims, please consider for a very small fee subscribing to my Substack publications or my locals community. Thank you for your attention.